Why Flux Claybar, the most effective solution for preparation method and cleaning step of the exterior panels. Watch the video until the end. Flux Claybar is a type of clay with special technology as a surface cleaner. Here is the feature of this clay. Anti-scratch, easy to use for anyone, and safe to removes a lot of contamination from all exterior materials. Flux Claybar is a type of clay with medium soft character which is very safe. It will not damage the paint, and is also a very precise method for removing water sports on the nano coating layer. The use of Flux Claybar is very economical. You can use it for various applications, repeatedly. The clay material is not easily brittle, and easy to care. Flux Claybar is super easy to apply. You can use it with water or you can also use it while washing the car. This Claybar will clean the stains, dirt, overspray, mold, scale, asphalt stains, even bird poop very thoroughly, clean and looks more glossy. In addition, the results of using Flux Claybar can make your next treatment process much better, easier to apply, and more special in terms of long-term effects.
Hurry, visit Premio Malaysia for more info.